Dear guys, today I am going to teach you the half portion, that is part 2 of the lesson The Treasure Within. The book is It So Happened, that is supplementary reader, and as I told you in the first part, the lesson is The Treasure Within. In the first part, how Hafiz Contractor and Bela Raja both talked, and Hafiz Contractor told about his early days when he was in schooling days, how he told Bela Raja. She asked questions, many questions, and he told about his life, how he that is life about his study, how he studied, and just in the next part also how she asked some questions. In the first part, how the principal's one sentence changed his life. Principal's one sentence changed his life, of his contractor's life. In this part, we are going to learn, that is how Bela Raja asking, how did you get into the field of architecture? Just she asks how he came in this field, in the field of architecture. I know. I hope you know what is the meaning of architecture. Architecture, that is science of the construction of building. Science of the construction of building. How he came in this field. How he became architecture, a great architecture. Just he told, what is the answer of Hafiz Contractor? In the college for architecture, nobody who had got below 80 to 85% marks, that is in this college of architecture, that is the marks was 80 to 85% marks was fixed, that is those students who got 80 to 85% marks will allowed to enter in this institution. He the only was allowed to enter. I had only 50. He had only 50% marks. Hafiz Contractor had got only 50% marks. इनके केवल 50% अंक थे. How? I wanted to join the army. He wanted to join army. Hafiz Contractor wanted to join army. But I got my admission letter, but my aunt tore it up. His aunt did not like. He did not like that Hafiz Contractor joined army. His aunt did not like it. I got my admission letter, but his aunt tore it up. Then I decided that I wanted to join the police force. Then he made up his mind to join police force. But his mother, Hafiz Contractor's mother, did not like that his son joined police force. He became a policeman. Don't join the police force. His mother said not to join police force. उनकी माँ ने मना किया, पुलिस फोर्स ज्वाइन ना करो. तो फिर just do your graduation. She asked him to complete graduation. Graduation की डिग्री complete करो. So I went to Jai Hind College in Bombay. So according to his mother, he went to Jai Hind College to take admission, to complete graduation. There I was either take French or German. Choice, French or German. He had to choose either French or German. French or German में कोई एक चुनना था. He had studied French for 7 years. 7 years, 7 वर्षों तक वो फ्रेंच पढ़े थे. But knew nothing. 7 वर्ष पढ़ने के बाद भी he did not know French. फ्रेंच इनको नहीं आती थी. I did not know 7 words of French, so I took German. So he decided to took German. He took German. Then my German teacher died. After that, his German teacher died, expired. इनके German teacher जो पढ़ाते थे expire कर गए, मर गए. Then the college told me that I could change the college or take French. The college told him, college की तरफ से इनको कहा गया, या तो कॉलेज छोड़ दो, दूसरे कॉलेज में जाओ. Either you leave the college or change your subject. अपना सब्जेक्ट चेंज कर दो. टेक फ्रेंच ले लो, इसलिए कि फ्रेंच का टीचर अवेलेबल था. Who would give me admission in other college at the time? Who would give him admission in other college? Not possible for him to take admission in other college. That's why I had got admission to Jai Hind by influence. He had got admission in Jai Hind college by influence. प्रभाव से admission मिल गया था. In other college his admission was not possible. संभव नहीं था दूसरे कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेना. That's why he thought, okay, I will take French. Oh, he took French. French ले लिया. And I started learning French again. Again he started learning French. French पढ़ना फिर शुरू किया. He started learning French. I learned it from my cousin. इनका एक cousin थी, उन्हीं से ये सीख लिए. She was an architect's wife. His cousin was architect's wife. Architect की पत्नी थी और उन्हीं से इन्होंने सीख लिया. I was going to an architect's office to learn French daily. He was going to learn French in architect's office जाते थे, वहीं सीखते थे अपने cousin से. Was it then that you decided to want to do architecture? Was it then you decided, you made up your mind to be architect होने का decision आपने लिया? हाफिज का actually it was happened quite by chance. By chance it happened so. मैं architect चुन लिया by chance ऐसा हुआ. In the architect's office I saw somebody drawing a window detail in the office of architect. He was there and somebody was making a drawing of window. खिड़की का drawing कोई बना रहा था. Someone was there in the office. A window detail is a very advanced drawing. In those days, that is, it was window का जो drawing था was supposed, माना जाता था advanced drawing. I told him that his drawing was wrong. Just his contractor was sitting there in the office and he saw the drawing of window and he said, उन्होंने कहा, it was wrong, drawing was wrong. Boldly इन्होंने कहा, आपका drawing wrong है. That the window he had drawn would not open. The window which the other person had drawn, his contractor said that it would not open. ये खुलेगा नहीं. Something wrong was there. He then had a bet with me. Later he found that interest. Indeed, just there was a bet. दाव लग गया. कौन सही है कौन गलत? Who is right? Who is wrong? Just his drawing was wrong. Actually, his drawing was wrong. The other person's drawing was wrong. My cousin's husband was surprised. Cousin's husband was present there. He is surprised. How his contractor know this thing? He asked me to draw a few specific things, some other things. He asked him, his cousin's husband asked him to draw some other thing, other drawing, which I immediately did. And फौरन इन्होंने बना दिया उसको, drawing कर दिया. To draw a few, yes, he asked me to design a house. He also asked his contractor to draw a design of house. House का design करने को कहा, house का design. I designed a house, yes. His contractor designed a house. House का design बना दिया. After that he told me to drop everything and join architecture. After that his cousin's husband told him to join architecture. Yes, we went to meet the principal of the college. Both went to meet principals of the college. The principal warned me. Yes, principal ने चेतावनी दिया. I will allow you to take part in the entrance exam. Yes, the principal told him to appear in entrance exam. If he do well, he will not allow to join. If he don't do well in the entrance exam, he will not be allowed. I got an A plus in the entrance exam. He got A plus in the entrance exam, and from that day it was a cakewalk. Cakewalk, that is something easy to achieve. Cakewalk, something easy to achieve. Cakewalk means something easy to achieve. After that, उसके बाद nothing was impossible. Everything was easy for him. And then I had never made a plan. He had never made a plan. But I knew how something looked like from the top. He knew. I had never known what a section was. But I knew if you cut a plan, what it would look like. Just what his experience was. I stood first class, first throughout. After that, he got first position. Always he got stood first position. I believe that all his understanding came from what I used to do during school. Just during school, he was playing, he liked, he was fond of sports, games. Due to that, he is getting success here. I had a friend called Behram Divecha was his friend. Behram Divecha was his friend. He used to have competitions between us designing forts, guns, ammunition in this field. He used to, Hamesha, always, he was making drawing, designing it. Each of us would design something as an effort by different. In school, when I was in second or third standard, when he was, one of my teachers, Mrs. Gupta, told him to make a sketch. One of his teachers, Mrs. Gupta, told him to make a sketch. See, you are useless in everything, but else your sketches are good. Just he told. When he was in third standard, the teacher told that his sketches were good. Just he told. When you grow up, जब तुम बड़े होगे, you become an architect. See, foretold. उन्होंने भविष्यवाणी की थी टीचर कि बड़े होगे, when you grow up, you will be architect. तुम आर्किटेक्ट बनोगे. And I did not know that time, but she was right. Now I was architect. Later, after I became an architect, I went back to meet her and tell her. Later, he went to meet her, that teacher, Mrs. Gupta. He met and told how she foretold in third standard. Why do you think you did not like studies? Then Bella Raja asked him, how do you think did you like studies? Was it because you felt you could not cope? That is, manage or handle, that is, you were not able to manage it. Why you disliked studies or not deal with the curriculum, or you are not able to complete syllabus courses of study, you were not able to complete syllabus, or you are not interested in it. I was very bad. What is the answer? You see how this contractor bad at languages. In languages, he was very bad. He was very poor in languages. Language नहीं जानते थे, बहुत poor थे. I just was not interested. He was not interested. He had no interest in languages. I was trying for the sake of the studying. What they taught me today, I would forget after 2 days. What he was taught, he forgot in 2 days. 2 दिन के बाद भूल जाते थे. जो भी पढ़ाया जाता 2 दिन के बाद, he forgot everything. I would not bother because there was no application of mind there to begin with. Yes, he did not like to start again. Just after 2 days, what he was taught, he forgot. Did you mean that? Did you think that what they taught in school was boring? Just Bella Raja asked a question. It was boring what you were taught in school. Or did you feel that once you understood the concept of what was being taught, you lost interest in the rest of the lesson? Just she asked. That is, you lost interest. What was taught there? Living in a boarding school is difficult. Just he is telling, how his contractor is telling here that living in boarding school was very difficult. We are just living from day to day. Nowadays there are so many tests are there today. Back then, whenever we had test, we used to just copy. Just he is telling that he used to copy. नकल कर लेते थे, पास हो जाते थे. The teacher taught that we had done your work. The teacher told to do our work. There is contention that giftedness and learning disabilities go hand in hand. Do you think this applies to you? Just she asked a question. That is, students who are not able to learn, which was taught. Just, well, take some students from my class. Just he is going to give here some example of his class. Those who always stood first, students who always got first position, they stood first in the class or second, are today doing very ordinary jobs. Just he is telling here that some students who got first position in the class, but in later life they are not doing well. They are not doing well in later life. And those who got not sufficient marks, but later life they are successful. I've come across this situation in so many different places where people tell me that their class toppers are doing very ordinary today. That is, those students who are class toppers, they have been class toppers, but they are not doing well in later life. बाद के जीवन में कुछ अच्छा नहीं करते. They are class toppers, but in general life they are not doing well. In school, I think living our life there are street smart. I have learned more by doing. He learned more. बहुत उन्होंने सीखा कुछ करके, खेल करके. I did not own that. What academics would have taught me. That is because the personality and skill. Just she is asking question, other question. Personality and skills. Two things, personality and skills were there. You were able to find expression in the manner you were comfortable with, and you broke every rule so that nobody would stop you from doing what you needed to do. That is, you did not stop in this field, in the field of architecture. That is, you did not look back. पीछे कभी नहीं देखा, आगे बढ़ गया तो बढ़ गया. I was more interested in other things. Just he is telling here that he was interested in other things. अन्य चीजों में इनको interest थी. If, for example, while in class I started raining outside, बाहर बारिश होने लगी. When he was in class, I would think of the flowing water and how to build a dam to block it. Just outside it was raining and water was flowing. Just he decided. He made up his mind to build a dam to block the water. How it was possible? It was going on in his mind. I would be thinking about the flow of water. Just he was thinking flow of water, flow, पानी का बहाव कैसे बह रहा है within the dam, and how much of water the dam would be able to hold, and how much water the dam can stop, रोक सकता है, कितना पानी वो कंट्रोल कर सकता है. That was my interest for the day. That was his interest. He was sitting in class and it was raining outside and how water was blowing. Just he was thinking how to build a dam. When the students lost the button, while just the other incident which took place when some students lost buttons, button टूट जाते किसी का, तो he would try to make button out of chalk. चाक को काट करके just button बना देते. He just how chalk, and using a blade he cut chalk and made a button out of chalk. Chalk से button बना देते. And just coming to the present, how do you decide as to what kind of structure you want to give the client? What kind of structure you want to give to his clients, ग्राहकों को किस तरह का बिल्डिंग, but just what kind of structure, किस तरह का structure he wanted to give to his clients. I look at the client's face. Just उनके चेहरे को देखते. Just he looked at the face of the clients. His clothes, फिर कपड़े देखते, चेहरा देखते, फिर कपड़ा देखते उनके, and the way he talks and how they are talking. What is the way of their talking? बात करने का तरीका क्या है? And pronounces and the way he eats और क्या ढंग है उसको, manner, तरीका खाने का. And I would know what his taste would be like, and then he will be able to learn what is their taste. उनका टेस्ट क्या है, what is going on in their mind, he was able to know. Sketch my spontaneously on a paper पर पहले sketch बनाते, drawing बनाते, and that paper I give to my people in office. You do it instinctively. Call it instinct. Yes, you are calling it instinct. Just wit. Call it arithmetic. What you like, call it. You can call it wit, instinct. Wit कह सकते. Call it arithmetic. इसको ही arithmetic कह लीजिए. Arithmetic, whatever. Now it comes to me like mathematics. It was my mathematics. What I was doing, whether you call it arithmetic, mathematics, or my wit. Putting design, construction, psychology and sociology together and making a sketch from all that is mathematics, all in these fields. ये सारे जो field हैं जिसमें whether they are that is putting design or construction or psychology or sociology, that they are my mathematics. वही हमारा mathematics है. Here I almost come to a full circle where Miss Constructor has derived his own interpretation, understanding of mathematics, taking it from a subject he hated to a subject how he loves dealing with. Just this is the last end of this lesson, and just I want to tell you that is what is the title of this lesson? The treasure within. It means, what is the meaning of the treasure within? That is, treasure within refers to the hidden talent of every child. Hidden talent. It means the hidden talent of every child who has his own style of learning. Every child has his own style of learning and area of interest. Every child has his own way of style of learning and area of interest. Every child can achieve greatness just like Hafiz Contractor. Every child can achieve greatness in his area of interest. Only in his area of interest he can get greatness. And that is, I can say, that is every child has a certain area of interest and expertise. Every child has this type of quality. Some children like mathematics, some like English, and that is, they should not be forced. This is the teaching moral of this story. Children should not be forced, compelled. उनको बाध्य नहीं किया जाना चाहिए to study something they don't want to. They don't want to. This is the end of this lesson. Just I'm sending all the solutions of the questions. Try to complete this lesson. Thanks.